Hey, what's up everyone? So today we're going to do something different. Basically we're going to do a practice session with the chords from last time. The first thing that we're going to do is play over a drum beat. And basically what we're going to do is play the same chords from last time. I'm going to display them somewhere all over the screen, and then you can practice them on top of the beat. And if you want to do it, you can do the E minor scale. So you can do a progression, and yeah, let's check it out. Okay, let's try this drum beat. This is gonna be a basic drum beat in actually 120 BPM. So let's play along. We're gonna play the E minor, G, D, and C. And if you wanna, you can play along, and I'll leave the beat after the video so you can play whichever chord you want and however you want. So let's do it. These videos are all about you, so if you like the content, please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again sometime soon. Stay awesome.